It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I doing my Saturday morning balcony garden club. You can hear the sparrows singing, doing their thing on an early Saturday morning. Here go my jades, all spruced up because of that good rain that watered them, that brought them back to life. Don't forget, in the beginning of the video, as you see, I advertised the participants channel that have joined this collaboration. Please go and check out their channels, support them, join their channels, subscribe. Don't forget to hit their notification bell. Don't forget to like their video. They will definitely appreciate all of it. So I had to come out here and water my oregano plant because it was sucking up, but I'm gonna give it a haircut once it fully recovers, because it's still recovering. I just gave it some water. And the mint plant has to recover because I just gave it some water. So yeah, and this succulent plant love this area. Let me see, this is facing east. It love it because it's growing bigger. And this is the basil plant that went to seed, and I have to go online and see what the seeds look like, because it was flowers, but they dried up now. So I'm wondering, where do I get the seeds from? I'm not sure. Y'all know I'm still learning about this gardening business, and I love every minute. And this is my jade plant right here that look like a tree that I can make 900 plants from, because it's look at the branch on it. Look how thick it is. Amazing. I love it. And look at the spider plant. It's like a mini tour. And I'm also, I think I got satisfactory today. Everything is successfully recovered, growing. All that. Look at that big old gigantic aloe vera plant. Work wonders for the hair. At least my hair too. Look at the teeth on it. Like shark teeth. They'll stab you too. You gotta be careful with this aloe vera. It's growing so thick and lush. Beautiful aloe vera plant. The lemon tree going back there. The little, let's see. That's as close as I can get right now on the lemon tree, because I'm sitting on the balcony. Like I said, once I made room, I could bring me a little chair out here. I could do my business. So I'm sitting down as I'm making this video, y'all. So the lemon tree recovers well from being drenched with some of that good Mother Nature rainwater. I finally plucked all those weeds that was in it, the planter. Now I just need to remove the little dead leaves down there. But that lemon tree, I can't wait to get some lemon on them dang tree. I am so anticipating them to get lemons on that tree. Oh, I can't wait. The branch is getting thicker, and I bet by the end of this year it'll probably be even thicker. And also I want to share this here cilantro. Look at this thing. It turned into a dang tree. Look at that cilantro. It turned into a freaking tree. I just put that stick on it to hold a little thing up. Now this is a herb. Cilantro is a herb, and it didn't turn into a tree. Have y'all ever seen a cilantro tree? Well, voila, you're seeing it here on this Janita channel. You can see it. Go figure. That rainwater did something to this plant. It grew it up. It just grew. It loved that rainwater. That rainwater fed it, develop into a tree. But that's, y'all, I just came to do my little collaboration video. Don't forget, check out the other participants that are advertised in the beginning of this video. And I'm about to get off here. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Continue to subscribe. Help this garden channel grow, because we are definitely learning a few things while practicing gardening over here, okay? Don't forget to check out the other content creators that support this channel. If you stroll through and you see them, go and join their channels too. They'll love to have you also. Be a continuous supporter. All right, y'all, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.